What if I told you life insurance is just not for when you die? You can use it while you're still alive, and we keep trying to tell y'all that. But y'all not listening. You can use it to pay off debt, buy an investment property, go on vacation, pay off medical debt, or even fund your retirement. If this is your first time here, I'm Lauren, a licensed life insurance agent, and I help entrepreneurs and content creators use life insurance to grow their money, build tax-free wealth, and protect their income. In this video, we are diving into the real-time benefits of living benefits, how to use it while you're still living, plus how you can use it as a savings account on steroids. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what they are, how they work, and why skipping out on this policy could cost you everything. So let's get into it. The main question that people always ask is, what are living benefits? The short version, it lets you access your money while you're alive. The long version, living benefits are built into certain life insurance policies, like Index Universal Life, which is also known as an IUL, or whole life policies. And they let you use your coverage if specific life events happen. And we're not talking about rare extreme cases. We're talking about like real-time scenarios, things that happen in everyday life. For example, getting diagnosed with cancer, suffering a heart attack or stroke, becoming too sick to work or care for yourself, or honestly just needing the money you've built up in your policy, which is how Walt Disney, Roy Kroc from McDonald's, and even Master P have built their businesses. So instead of relying on GoFundMe, y'all know how I feel about GoFundMe. It is an amazing platform, but it is not a life insurance policy. You could just get so much more. Okay, we're gonna go into it, okay? So like I was saying, instead of using GoFundMe or your credit cards or your emergency savings, you can dip into a policy that you already own. And before you guys say it's a scam or it's a get rich quick scheme, check the tax code. This is built into your policy. So I'm gonna give you guys some real world example. Hold up, I gotta knock on wood because I'm not wishing nothing bad on any of y'all. I don't have no wood in my car. Alright, so let's get back to the video. So here's some terms you need to know. Terminal illness, chronic illness, critical illness, and cash value. So like I said before, I'm not wishing this on anybody, but we know that this happens. You're diagnosed with a condition that gives you less than 12 to 24 months to live. Instead of leaving the benefit untouched, you can access a large portion now while you're still here with your family. I don't know about you, but me, instead of being in a hospital bed, I'd rather be on the beach somewhere, right? Living my life. The life that I got left is not gonna be in no hospital bed. Give me my money now, because we about to spend it. All right. So when it comes to chronic illness, it basically means that you can't perform 2 out of the 6 basic necessities of life, right? So that's like eating, bathing, dressing. If you need help with any of those, then you can start using your benefit for in-home care or therapy or whatever you need. Critical illness, now this is your heart attacks, your strokes, your cancer, and in situations like these, you can actually get a lump sum to cover your bills, your medical treatments, or basically like just to keep the lights on, because honestly, like, why would you want the stress of working when you could just be at home recovering and you're not worried about, okay, well, how I'm gonna pay the light bill or how I'm gonna pay for my child to get to and from school and whatever, you know what I'm saying? This money will cover that. And people really don't realize how important it is until it actually happens. Medical debt is one of the main reasons people file bankruptcy. I know you don't want to go through that either. A policy like this will help you avoid that. And most importantly, what you clicked on this video for is the cash value benefits. So with certain policies, you can build cash over time. That money grows, it compounds, and you can borrow against it to buy a house, pay for college, or even fund your retirement. Y'all see those people that like live on cruise ships, or like the grandparents that are always on vacation? Yeah, this is why. Now, this is something that I will always hold dear to my heart, right? One of my mentors, she had a client named Tasha. And no, that's not her real name. Y'all know, okay? But she ended up being diagnosed with breast cancer. She was 38. She had 2 kids. Yes, this is happening younger and younger, y'all. So instead of her going into debt, instead of her stressing, her policy paid her $80,000. So she was able to use that to pay for chemo. She could stop working, focus on healing, and still have money to take care of her kids. That is the power of living benefits. So how does this all work? So here's a simple breakdown. When you pay your monthly premium, the money is split in a few ways. Some goes into your death benefit and the other goes into your cash value account. Now, for example, depending on your age, we're going to use a female 31 for this example. She sets aside $300 a month in a max funded IUL. For this account, $270 will go into the savings account on steroids and $30 will go towards the death benefit. Now, if you look at those green boxes, that is your money growing year after year after year. Your cash value grows over time based on a market index like the S&P 500. But here's the best part. You're protected from market losses. You get the upside without the downside. And look at that green box on the bottom. She put in $122,400 and that compounded to almost $580,000. And that doesn't even include the death benefit. Now keep in mind, this is based off the current interest rate of 5.64. But keep in mind, for the last 20 years, the S&P has done about 6 to 8% yearly. And some indexes have a return of 10 to 13%. And some have even higher. But for this example, we're going to keep it conservative. And when life hits, those built-in benefits are there. You don't need to qualify again, beg for help, or worry about getting denied coverage later. It's already yours. So now you're thinking, does this apply to me? Like, do I need this? Who is this really for? Number one, if you're self-employed and you don't have disability insurance, if you don't have any insurance whatsoever and you're self-employed, you need this. If you are a parent that wants to make sure their kids are protected, anyone that doesn't want to rely solely on GoFundMe or credit cards, if you want to build a tax-free retirement income, or if you simply don't want to leave your health, your money, your family to chance, this is for you. Because let's be real, when life hits, you don't get a warning first. You've got to already be protected. The younger the better, but if you're in your 30s or your 40s or even your 50s, it's not too late. So now that you know the truth about living benefits, here's what to do next. Book a free 15-minute consultation with me. We'll talk about your goals, your budget, no pressure, and I'll show you what living benefits you will qualify for. This is your opportunity to secure your health, your money, and your legacy while you still can. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment to get started. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, share this with someone that needs to hear this information. The best time to get covered was yesterday. The second best time is today. And if you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments. And if you like this video, you'll like this video right here.